Hello from Tech. This is the unboxing of the Xiaomi LCD writing pad. Here is Dion, and this is the Xiaomi Mi LCD writing tablet, 13.5 inches. This is an ideal surface to keeping notes, or that can replace a blackboard. It can be used for children for drawing, sketching, drafting and much more. All that can be done with the included special pencil with this tablet-like surface. Now let's go and open this box. We'll need an X-Acto knife here, well, at least the small tip of it, so we can cut this seal here. Okay, we'll need another one, precise cut there, and that was all. We can open it up and pull out the writing pad like it's so. I can see there are some smudges on top of it, so we can erase, we can erase that. Now that might be from the pressure from the package while posting it. I would really like to see a protective layer there on the top of the screen. And here we have the plastic pencil that looks like a classical pencil with a tip that you can write on top of the surface and erase like it's so. Now here we have the user's manual. We have also a warranty notice in various languages. You should check this one closely. Depending on your country, you might have different warranty options, so it's a good thing to check this one here and have a thorough reading of all the important information for your product. So that's all with this leaflet. Now let's check the user's manual. There is essentially a multi-language spec list repeated in every page of this one, and that's all with the paperwork. So let's start writing or drawing something. The writing is quite fluid, I must say. Now this is not correct. Now let me place it a different way so that you can see it better, and I can write also like it's so. I really like the tracing of the writing tip. It feels really nice. You can see it can miss something if you don't press the correct way, but other than that, I really like the fluidity on the screen while sketching something or drawing like that. Now I can see one drawing with this pad, but this is essentially for sketching or doodling, or even better, taking notes. Nothing on this pad can be saved anywhere unless you take a photo with your smartphone. Now deleting the picture is as simple as that. It's really straightforward with this key. You draw and you erase. Still, this is portable. You can store the pencil here. This side is magnetic, and you also have a switch for locking or unlocking the delete button, avoiding erasing your text or picture. Now mounting the pencil on this magnetic side is as simple as it gets, like this. Now I cannot give a recommendation to keep it here where you are traveling or you are packing it up. There's an easy way to lose this, so you'll better keep the pencil in a pocket and avoid losing it when you are in a hurry. Now this is a 13.5 inches of writable surface, and the only power that is needed is that of a single battery stored here on this side, and it was already working from the get-go, but you will need a replacement. Well, when the time comes to change the battery, it's not an easy task since the compartment for the battery is sealed. Now I would suggest to use a small tool or a paper clip to pry open the seal here. Well, prying it open takes a little more effort, and okay, it just needs to be placed and done right, like that. And here we have the single battery that is needed for the pad to work. This one can be the replacement. Now we can install it back to the battery tray, and this is ready to go. We can now write again like we should. This is a really nice place to write some daily activities, some purchases that must be done for the household or even to organize your productivity flow. In an enterprise, I will guess this will find some use for sketching some ideas or brainstorming. Now, due to its size, this is a very versatile notepad that can also save some paper, and you will not need a pencil anymore, nor an eraser. Now, on the rear side, there are 4 plastic bumps, and that's a shame. I would like to see some mounting system here to mount it on a wall or on a door, but I think I'm asking too much from this product. Still, this is a really large portable sketching pad. It is ideal for kids, and for the asking price there is no competition. So this was the unboxing of the Xiaomi LCD writing pad. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Adex Tech, thank you for watching.